Mfg date means manufacturing date. It is the date on which a product was made or produced. In simple words, Mfg date equals the day the product was made. Where do we see Mfg date? You can see Mfg date on food packets, medicine strips, bottles and boxes, electronic products. Very easy examples. Check the Mfg date before buying. This product's Mfg date is January 2024. More simple sentences. Always read the Mfg date. The Mfg date is printed on the pack. Expired products have old Mfg dates. Daily life situations. Medicines need correct Mfg dates. Food items show Mfg date and expiry date. Shops check Mfg dates regularly. Student-friendly sentence, I checked the Mfg date. Important point to remember. Mfg date does not equal expiry date. Mfg date shows when it was made, not when it expires. Easy memory tip. Mfg equals made.